Trial number 2.
I'm not sure if that's what you were looking for, but things sure happened anyway.
It was a good thing to test because it worked backwards. And it separated.
Yeah.
Power, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Your parachute's down.
It worked.
That's
I'll take it.
Pretty intense little flames coming out of there.
Oh shoot, yes. Sorry about that. I owe you some grass. Right into the sun.
What? Oh, baby, a little slow. Come on, baby, come on.
Oh, oh, it popped.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice one.
Not bad. We got it at
400 feet.
all right. So it's coming down. Gonna pop the chute at 400. It's gonna land in the field.
Chute open.
Chute is open.
So you gotta land like right in front of it.
Alright.
Nice.
Can it hit the pad?
Yes, sir, Dave.
No, it could be right here.
Okay, there it is. There you go. Right in the runway. Ground is clear. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kick.
Marking over. Bad.
Marking over. Got an event.
Uh-oh. It looks like we got more than we're supposed to have out.
Coming down.
We got more out than we're supposed to.
Okay. And two out there, Dave Lumber's Katana. And a J250 with a 14-second delay. Remain delay at 500.
This will make a lot of noise.
Shows continuity. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, stay out of there.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Came apart up there. That's the other one.
Bob Dickinson, are you ready? Ready. Okay, I'll go mid-fire. Bob Dickinson, fire up. You got an F31, 7-second delay. That'll be fun. Second continuity. You ready, Sarah?
Yep.
Okay, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa,
It went, Dad.
it's gone. And you got the shootout,
Yep.
and it's fallen to earth.
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! That was a dud.
Dad? Rocket jump, what the hell was that?
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That worked. It went.
And back behind us.
I got it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got it. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Yep.
1-1.
Easy. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You better go,
Wobbly.
go. 10 seconds is a long time. Apogee. Hey, right at the top. It wobbled that time.
Wibbled a bit.
Coming straight back at us.
At least he hopes he does about now. Yeah. It's like a little goat shoe.
That's got one of those Apogee shoot sliders. Okay, shoot, release, pop. Bingo! Hey, all right. Air it out there.
Okay, range is safe. Blow them up.
That's coming down slow. Awesome.
Higher rope shoot on there. Yeah, you catch that? Yeah.
Awesome.